those of you who are asking me, how do I speak to my chi? How do I align with my chi? Your chi is your inner spirit. Your chi is that small still voice that speaks to you. Your chi is that spirit that carries you. The only way you can align and speak with your chi is when you give yourself time. When you make out special time for yourself. Discover your market day. The market that was on the day we are born. Let that day be a special day to you. Use it to speak to your chi. Use it to align with your chi. Use it to offer kola nut, offer drink, hot drink and palm wine, even water is enough for you to use to speak to your chi. When you cultivate this attitude, you begin to align yourself with your spirit inner being. You begin to align yourself with your chi. Your chi is never far from you. Your chi is never far from you. Your chi is always with you, walking around you, walking with you, going and going out with you. Each time you eat, always drop some food for your chi by throwing to the mother nature, to the earth. Anything you do, always share with your chi by throwing some to the ground, to the mother nature. Don't expect your chi to come from anywhere else. Your chi is within you. Your chi is inside of you. This is for those of you who are asking me, how do I align or speak to my chi? With this way, with this habit, with the cultivation of this habit, you begin to align yourself with your chi. Share this information so that others who are in this confusion will come out of it. I still remain your brother. Hi, Dr. Eriwagwago, the rising son of Africa, the preacher of truth.